Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you're looking for an affordable professional website for your Tailor business, then you're certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that on the Marty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with Marty Sites yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. I'm going to go ahead and select the template for a tailor. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-site generate a simple website for us using the information we've just provided. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of the different alterations you've made to some awesome clothing, perhaps. Maybe want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre written for you. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or any sort of web professional skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. Not, even if you're not that tech savvy, you can still do it all yourself. So I'm going to head to the first section at the top, click on update section, go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Great, let's pop our phone number in for our business over here, as well as our physical location, our street address. Number is clicked to call, and that physical location, when your website's live and your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as at the bottom. Under logo, you can go ahead and put in your business logo over here. If you don't have one, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters, frames, go ahead and click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save and you can make the logo bigger and smaller on the right. Great. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors. If you want to go ahead and change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed whatsoever. Awesome. For each section you want to make amendments to, go ahead and click on update section. Head on over to update image if you've got your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free for you to use. Under content, you can make amendments to that content that was pre-written. Buttons can all link to various places. You can link to another website if need be. An action, otherwise upload a PDF file, which is a great way to showcase a catalog or your different services you offer. In the last section at the bottom, let's go ahead and head to that very quickly, is where your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries or questions and concerns. All they need to just put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified by email, your registered email address, that you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. Otherwise, if you would like to purchase a domain to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on this button. In your Marty dashboard, you'll find your leads from that form as well as at the bottom, as well as get notified via email. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future on the platform, any questions, do drop us a message or comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback.